Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In chapter number 6, e-commerce and e-governance, today we will discuss first question, what is trade cycle, and what are the phases, or explain the phases of trade cycle. Now see first, what is the meaning of trade cycle? It is a series of exchanges. It is a series of exchanges between a customer and supplier that take place when a commercial exchange is executed. Means business transaction is there between customer and supplier. Then it is called as trade cycle. It is related with business as trade and business are related with each other. Trade cycle is not simple purchasing and buying, but it is commercial exchange. It is business transaction. A general trade cycle consists of following phases. This trade cycle is consist of following phases. First, pre-sale. Second one is execution. Third phase is settlement, and fourth phase is after sales. First phase, pre-sales. Second phase, execution, and third, settlement, and fourth one is after sales. These are four phases of trade cycle. These are four phases of trade cycle. Now see one by one. First, pre-sale means before. Pre means before. Pro means after. Before sales activity. What are the before sales activity? It consists of two steps like search and negotiate. In search there are two criteria. First, customer is searching for project, and then negotiate take place, means bargaining take place. Customer search for required website for the product to be purchased. Then in negotiate step, customer find a supplier who offers good quality product at cheaper price. This is a type of bargaining, and then customer agrees the terms forwarded by supplier. Means in search there are two actions, search and negotiate. See here, we are searching on different website. For example, I want to purchase laptop. I will search on different website like Amazon and Flipkart. Same here, I am searching here also on Snapdeal. Now it is not deliverable because lockdown is there, so it is written. This is we completed first phase. Then next is execution phase. Next is which phase? Execution. This phase consists of order and delivery. We go in website like Amazon, then add to cart, we select product, add to cart. This is order and this is delivery. This is execution phase. Customer send an order for selected product, and after processing the order, customer receives delivery of the product. Third one is settlement phase. This phase consists of invoice, if any, and payment. Invoice means bill. Settlement means bill. Bill and payment is there in this third phase, settlement phase. See here, invoice. This is invoice like bill, like it is bill, and payment is done through any card or after the delivery of product. You can do payment also. There are two options, and in payment there are many options. Now see what is the meaning of invoice. Invoice means customer will receive the bill for purchase product, and after confirmation of received product, customer will pay with debit or credit card, or pay after delivery also. This is also option. Now last one is after sales. This phase consists of warranty and after sales services. This is last phase, after sale. In warranty period, customer will get all maintenance services for free or at minimum cost. Okay. After sale service means customer will do complaints if they have any complaint about the performance of product and get maintenance service from the supplier. Okay, thank you student.